I'm gonna start this video off by shooting into a piece of paper from point blank range. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Loading it with one of my shells I made in a previous video. I'm not wearing ear protection, probably should be, it's kind of loud. I'm gonna wear eye protection though. That was cool, kind of. I was gonna shoot the paper again, but I was thinking you're not gonna be able to tell if it has any power just by shooting paper. So I set up some cans over here, and let's shoot them. I'm about 10 feet away, 12. I should probably get on the other side. Let's put some glasses back on. That was weak. I did hit the cans, I heard it, but none of them fell over, which is like super disappointing. We'll take another shot at it and see if we can knock one over. I know this might be anti-productive, but I built another one, shell, and I just put a larger wood dowel thing inside of it, no BBs, all the way to the end, hooked onto the firework. And I'm going to be shooting at the cans again. Hopefully we get more destruction than last time. That was much better. Much better. So the way I'm making these plug shell things is I'm taking a long plug, it's about a 2x4, I guess it's just a 2x material, and then putting a firework partially into it, less than half. I'm taking some paper towel or toilet paper or something and wrapping it around the base. Don't ask why, I'm just doing that because I think it might be adding a little bit of velocity. Taking my coffee straw, putting the fuse into it, and just doing the same thing I did in my other shell making video. And they just stay in because they're kind of tight just around this edge here. That's how I make these shells. I'm going to be changing the camera angle to a little bit closer so you guys can see what's happening. There, that's a little bit closer. I'll back up another 10, 12 feet and shoot it again. Did I miss? I'm going to be shooting a slug again, more around 5 feet, so I don't miss. I think it's coming out around 300 feet per second. It's moving quite quickly, the slug is. I think we could shoot through one of these cans. Dude. I'm not sure if that was from the firework exploding inside of it or hitting the can. I'm going to be shooting a piece of paper again like I did in the beginning of the video. Let's shoot this piece of paper and see if it'll go through. 3, 2, 1. That was no way. What? That's way better than I thought it would do. Shot through right here, here, here. Those are all BBs. I did end up shooting kind of low. As you see, most of the BBs hit right here. That's around 12 feet away. That was much better than I thought it would do. I am kind of out of shells. I think I have one more, so this will be my last shot. As you see, we've kind of gone through quite a few of them. I'm not sure what I'm gonna shoot. Maybe we'll just give a full long range test. I'm gonna set the camera up closer than I'm gonna be. Hopefully no BBs hit the camera. I'm gonna step back around, I don't know, 30 feet or so, and hopefully I can hit these cans. I am using the short shells, the target load shells. If you're using turkey load, you'd get a little more length out of the shell and probably be able to fit more BBs in, closer to 20 BBs. I'm only able to fit like 14 to 15 BBs, if lucky. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna set the camera down here a little closer than I'm gonna be. Actually, just a lot of it closer. Well, my lighter is dying. It's one of these silly ones with no adjustment for the flame, so it doesn't shoot very high. And my fuse on this shell, as you see, has just kind of burned away really slowly and not actually lit. It's really sad. So I think I'm gonna go find another lighter, maybe grab one more firework, and we'll see what happens. Got it all loaded up and put the new lighter in. Let's see what happens from 20 feet away. 3, 2, 1. That was awesome. It didn't knock over the cans, but I think most of the BBs missed the cans and shot up onto the cabin and everywhere else. I'm impressed, actually. I was planning on being very disappointed in this gun. Very. No. A little bit of wadding in there. I'm actually very impressed. It shot from about near 25 feet away, and quite a few of the BBs hit the cans. Some of them hit on the cabin. Lots of them shot back and nearly hit me. I'm gonna shoot a plug one more time because that was fun and see what happened. So I'm gonna shoot a slug. I don't know why I keep calling it a plug, from around 25 feet away-ish. And hopefully I can hit the 3 little cans I've set up. Plug from 25 feet away. 3, 2, 1. Very inaccurate piece of junk. Making one of these and not wood might be better, but it turned out better than I thought. I thought it was only gonna shoot like 20 some feet max, but ended up shooting much further than that because it was able to hit the cans. I thought it might like have BBs rolling out the end of the barrel, but every single BB escaped. For under $25, I'd call this a good gun. It shot decently. It shot slugs. It's not really an airsoft gun exactly, unless you were playing in like a barn or something. Because it kind of stinks. Fireworks aren't exactly the sweetest smell in the world. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the like button and ring the bell, because you want to be notified when more more videos like this come on. I have lots of other ideas for guns and cannons and other not safe things. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.